In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to reset a Squarespace website. If you want a fresh start in Squarespace, this process is essentially about canceling the current website trial and then creating a new website from your account. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, go to your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're there, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This will open the main settings area for your website, where Squarespace keeps important account and site management options. Inside settings, find and click Billing. This section is where you manage the payment and subscription details connected to the website. If you're trying to reset a trial site, this is the place you need. Next, click on Subscriptions. In this area, Squarespace shows the active services tied to your account, including the website subscription or trial. This helps you locate the exact website plan you want to remove before starting over. From the subscriptions page, click Website. That will open the details for the current website subscription. Take a moment here to make sure you are looking at the correct site, especially if you manage more than one Squarespace website in the same account. Now click Cancel Trial. This is the key step that removes the current trial website so you can start again cleanly. Squarespace may show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to do this, which is normal. When that confirmation appears, click Cancel Trial again to confirm your choice. After this, the trial website is canceled. If you had any work on that site that you wanted to keep, make sure it was saved elsewhere beforehand, because canceling means you're moving on from that version. Once that's done, go back to the main account area. In the bottom left corner, click your profile icon. This takes you out of the individual site settings and back toward your broader Squarespace account options. From there, click Create Website. This is how you begin again with a new Squarespace site from scratch. You'll be able to choose a new starting point and rebuild with a clean setup. That's the full process for resetting your Squarespace website by canceling the existing trial and creating a new one. Just remember that this method is best when you truly want a fresh start. Follow each screen carefully, confirm the correct website before canceling, and then use the Create Website option to begin again.